so we're going to just do quick swatches of this Dionne palette. So we're going to start off with Buyer's Remorse, which is a really pretty teal green, really deep dark one though. Then we'll go into Picky, and then Jeepin. And then for the bottom row, we're going to go into Woman, and then Polyester Hair, and then last in the palette is Miss Dionne. So those are the swatches. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. It's a very crumbly foil. This nude is a nude matte, and it's probably going to suit quite a few skin tones if you're using in the way that I do, you know, your nudes as your blend out highlight sort of situation. This is a really gorgeous, almost like grass green shimmer. I wouldn't call it a foil. And then this matte here is really gorgeous. It's a nice warm brown, perfect for blowing out the crease, etc. This shimmer here, I would say, is in between a foil and a shimmer. It's definitely not a foil like this one, but has a bit more of a reflect versus the green shimmer here. And this matte teal has, I'm gonna say, and I could very well be wrong, has a dark grey, almost a black base. So when it blends out, it does tend to lose a bit of the actual teal vibe. So I feel like this is going to be a pack on and hope that it doesn't go grey. But anyway, these are the swatches. Those are my first impressions on these swatches. So let's get on with the makeup tutorial.
Alrighty, so I'm starting off this eye look with my usual Too Faced concealer, just putting a bit on my eyelid, and then I'm using a Real Technique setting brush to blend that out. Honestly, my favorite. I haven't tried or used any other bases because this is just my go-to. To start off this eye look, I'm taking the shade Buyer's Remorse. Like I mentioned in the swatch portion of the video, it is a pack on and hope that it doesn't turn grey situation. So as you can see, I'm using a flat brush and I'm packing that on the lid and then up into the crease area. And then I'm taking a blendy brush and using small pushing motions to blend it out instead of larger window shield motion wiping situation, because I didn't want to lose any of the intensity for that shadow. I'm also using a clean brush with some translucent face powder to bring out those edges. It worked very well. I think that's pretty much how you're going to be able to use that eyeshadow. For the lid, I'm taking the shade Woman and a small packing on brush, and I'm putting that onto the center of the lid, and I'm tapping it in with Buyer's Remorse and going back and forth between the two to blend out, using tapping motions instead of a blending brush, again just to prevent any change of color while blending it out. The next shade I'm taking is Picky, and I'm using a small, this is a detailing brush from Real Techniques, and I'm packing that on the inner corner of the eye, leaving the absolute inner corner free though for the next shade. To blend these two colors is quite difficult, so again the tapping motion just so that it's soft enough. It's definitely not going to blend seamlessly, definitely hard to blend these two colors together. And then for the absolute inner corner, I'm taking the shade Miss Dionne. In the swatch portion of this video, it was the crumbly shade. It's quite nice on the eye, and it did blend out quite nice as well, so it's not crumbly on the lid, just in the pan. So I'm taking polyester hair and a little bit of that translucent face powder to help blend out those edges one more time. And then I'm going in with the shade Jeepin on the lower lash line to blend out and just to help connect Buyer's Remorse to the outer corner without it being too green under the eye. So we want to shadow the top but not go full crazy with it. Again, polyester hair to help blend out and lighten up the underbrow area. Then I'm taking in the shade Picky, mixed in with a bit of G-Pen to bring that in on the lower inner corner, and taking Miss Dionne on the inner corner to connect that. For the waterline, you could of course go black. I chose to go nude just to keep the eyes open because of how dark the teal translated across. And then I'm using the eyelining pen that is in the Clueless collection and just doing a really soft wing, nothing too crazy. And then I'm going in with this CoverGirl mascara to coat my lashes. You could of course pop on some falsies. I decided not to today, but I think it would definitely add some extra drama to the look if you did. And then for the lips, I'm taking the Miss Dionne lip pencil, and I'm lining my lips first, then filling it in, and then over the top I'll pop on some gloss. So I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you think of these shorter videos. I think I will continue to do those. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.